zoom back up. Yeah.
Okay, you're back on.
Back on. Alright. We're back. 97.1 FM. Back live.
Wait, man, I don't want to go. You have it, these guys right here. Again, Cameron is in the lead. This is the first station prize now. It look like Cameron Morris gonna pick this up. You're live on 91.7 FM, ladies and gentlemen. Cameron Morris just picked that up. Good. We're testing 1, 2. We're testing 1, 2, 1, 2. We're testing 1, 2. Good. We're testing 1, 2. We're testing 1, 2. Good. We're testing 1, 2. We're testing 1, 2. Yeah. Yes, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, Morris is still in the lead. A young rigger cycling club rider taking the lead here, just past Silkgrass. I got a new rider from Punta Gorda here in the race today. I'll get his name. I'm gonna pass it on to you guys in just a few. But Cameron Morris eh, is in first place right now, approaching Freshwater Creek Bridge. Yeah, he's attacking now. The rider from Punta Gorda is attacking now. But right on his tail there, you have Morris on his tail. This is going to be a wonderful finish coming back into Hopkins Village, ladies and gentlemen. These young riders from Grigger Cycling Club, and we also have from Punta Gorda. I will get this rider name. I want to tell you, I want to big up all our sponsors for this morning's cycling. Um, Why, boss? Why try study the camera? Try study the camera. All right, perfect. Looks like we have another dead zone here. Oh, another dead zone here around Freshwater Creek. Okay, we passed that dead zone, ladies, and thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it locked. Thanks for sharing. We'll be right back. All right. So, pace of this race as we're waiting for the, we're just slow down a little bit. Just okay, we are approaching. We just passed Freshwater Creek Jones Bridge. So um, we'll keep you posted and give you an update on the Ella School spot, Ross B, Johnson Castillo, um, De Toby, Cody. Here come the racers runs again. Here, I will definitely. This is keeping up. I guess this is a very good challenge here for Morris, that's been dominating the cycling circuit in Griga. But there's a challenger right here on his toes, right behind his wheels, I would say, from Punta Gorda. So it's turning out to be something special. Two young riders, one out of Griga, one out of PG. I also want to big up there. I want to say thank you for them for Mayor Mariano for his sponsorship today. Paul's Guest House for his sponsorship today. Big up Malcolm Bossano for his sponsorship today. Now we got three riders here in the peloton. Um, Morris is back. It dropped back in third. Bossano in second, and I will get the name of that first ride that the rider in first right now from Punta Gorda, riding strong. He's been steady the whole way, approaching 6 Miles Junction on the we're on the Thomas Vincent Ramos Highway right now. So look at that. They look like they can't get tired. All right, so I want to continue to big up. Yes, it's unofficially about 15 minutes elapsed, and we're pretty much moving fast, a fast pace um, race here, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll take you into Griga, and we'll get some reports back out of Hopkins with our cameraman. This rider is very, very impressive. But Bosano is saying, no way, I will stay on your back, on your rear wheel. Yeah, Champi Galindo. Want to big up Champi Galindo, Paul Arzu. I want to big up all these sponsors that making Mr. T 17th annual cycling classic a reality for this morning. I want Nadia Shed again. Thank you very much for this sponsorship for the 17th annual Mr. T birthday cycling classic. A lot of young riders. This is what we want to see. It looks like it'll be a 1, 2, 1, 3. Goodall is all the way to the back. Regal is nowhere to be seen right now. I know Regal fans must be asking about this race, but they're nowhere to be seen right now. So we'll take a slight little musical break while we enjoy these guys. Once again, you're watching live on Diva Garifuna Radio Station. Brought to you by LS School Sport, Nadia Cultural Shed, John Castillo, Dear Alvarez, Mira Mariano, Leticia Eligio, Ras Abaona, that's Gary Maya, Gift Shop, Sudan, Stephanie Laurie, Kiss Me Neck Restaurant. These are all these restaurants out of Hopkins Village sponsoring this race. Champi Galindo, Paul, Paul Arzu. Okay, we'll see if nice and easy. Nice and easy. Approaching the 6 miles junction, George Forest Highway. Yes, they're looking good. They're looking good. Yes, we will. Yeah, we will switch. We will switch and then switch over to our we will switch and we'll switch over to our another Facebook page, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and we have another event coming up. All right, so we will switch to that and come right back. All right. Yo, Ingrid.
Live, sir.
Huh?
Live.
Stick it up. It's up. Huh? Huh? Okay, cool. No problem. We're going. What you say, like stuff?
Why you come out of vehicle?
Come here, we wait for them.
Yeah. This is not station price?
I think it's our station
Yes,
price.
sir. I think the
But,
station price.
but what we are doing, we are shut off live and we're going off on my Facebook page, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be on Maurice Area Facebook page because we're in a time lapse right now. All right, so we have another program happening on the Difa page. All right, ayo.